guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are excited for today's clothing haul, as I am, because I've been having this package for 2 weeks now. I haven't opened the items because I wanted to do a reaction, while I recorded the video. Trying to recap where I left off about 5 minutes ago was that out of all the items, I did go ahead and open 2 of them. So I'm gonna show you the first one that I went and opened because it was one that I was so excited about, and that is this pair of denim. This right here is the X denim that they have. I'm going to try to put somewhere on the screen the exact model for this one, but I went ahead and got it because it does have this like faded indigo color with some tan kind of like effect all throughout the jeans that make it look like if it was dirty. The X denim is known to be a very skinny denim, so just keep that in mind. I am usually a size 30 on all my jeans, but when I buy X denim, I always go one size up. So this one right here is a size 31, as you guys can see, and it did fit me perfect. I think I could have even ordered a size 32. So I have to make sure I don't dry these, because otherwise I'm gonna have to kind of sell them if it comes to those means. Now let me quickly show you the bottom of the legs. I love this like flare effect, and this right here is the only reason why I haven't cut the length on the jeans, because these I believe are like a 34 length, and I'm usually a 30 in length because I'm not that tall. I believe I'm about 5'5", maybe 5'6" on a sunny day. So I am just thinking about it for now. Item number 2 would be my second favorite item, and it's this weird jacket. Jaguar trucker jacket is what they're calling it. Right here is the tag. And this one, as you guys can see, it's a size small, and those were size 31. So yeah, will come in clutch because it's getting so cold, and since all my clothes, shoes, and everything is in storage, I didn't have much winter clothes, so anyways, here is the jacket. It does remind me a lot to that kind of like ancient culture, like here comes the Spanish moment, okay, kind of like the times of los mayas, los indios, los mayas, etc. So that's kind of what this reminds me of. I don't know why, it just reminds me of that, which no offense to anybody, it's actually cool. That's kind of why I bought it, because it gave me that vibe and I kind of wanted that. So this, again, it's a trucker jacket. It has 2 chest pockets, and then it's a zipper, and it does have 2 more pockets down here. So pretty nice, and I'm glad I went with a size small, because on the website it did say it had a little bit of an oversized fit, so that's why I went and got small. Alrighty, next item we have is something that I can never have enough of since I work from home, and that is sweatpants. I have been wanting to try out the everyday sweatpants that they have, and I decided to first try out the black colorway, just because, again, black goes with anything, and I also don't own, or I don't currently have with me, a black sweatpants. So here we have these sweatpants. These are size small, and I did not know that the strings were this long, so it kind of gives me some like fear of God vibes, which it's totally fine. I'm trying to fix this so that the length matches. But anyway, so here we have the sweatpants. They do have pockets in the front, and they do have 1 pocket on the back. These are true black, and then I kind of like this right here. It's not so thick and tall like the ones from H&M. These right here are actually super nice and don't make your outfits look weird. Alright, getting to the next item is this throw over jacket or shirt. The proper name for it is edge flannel. This right here would be my second flannel. The first one, you guys can go ahead and check out that video that I did a couple months ago. This one right here is in the white colorway, size small, and it's a raw edge flannel. So heard by the name, like everything on this flannel, it's like this, which to me it's pretty cool. These do fit pretty big, so I do recommend you either size down or maybe go true to size if you do like that oversized heavy fit. I'm usually a size medium on my tops, but for this one I went ahead and bought size small. And here we have it. Hopefully it's properly exposed. So we do have 2 chest pockets, and throughout the whole shirt it does look like that material that might or could be itchy. So I would have to let you guys know later today when I try this on if it is itchy. I'll put it somewhere on the screen if it was or if it wasn't. And then here we have the minimal branding. Now, getting to the last items, we have this pair of pants right here that I have been wanting for a while, like a while. These right here are the Snap 2 cargo pants. I do own the corduroy Snap pants. Anyways, I decided to go ahead and, what in the world? Are these supposed to be this short? Oh my God, hold on. Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm a little concerned, but they will fit me. But if you are almost 6 feet tall, I don't recommend you buy these. It's gonna look like... Anyways, getting to the details of the pants. As you guys can see, it's this beautiful olive color. We have 2 cargo pockets at the front. We have the 2 normal pockets on the side, which I cannot find. It's right here. Then going a little further down on the leg, we do have another cargo pocket right here. And then we have the snap mechanism at the very bottom, which you can open if you want the pants to fall a little better on your shoe. Inside we have the branding for you guys to see. These are size small, and one thing I do love about these pants, same as the ones that are corduroy, are these strings right here. They're pretty strong and very, very stretchy. I don't know what kind of material they're using for that. And then on the back you do have another 2 cargo pockets and nothing else going down the knee. So guys, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I will be posting outfit photos with everything I showed you. So I hope you guys enjoy and appreciate all the work that I put into this small channel. So I'm gonna end it here because my mom just started washing and it's kind of annoying. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.